From my perspective, using new second language words in a sentence to remember them is a strategy really works for me. It can also work with other strategies, such as underlining or circling information in the text and guessing the meaning of unknown words or phrases. Every time when I see different ways to explain the same topic, I will underline some important parts and new words, which can help me better understand and remember. As for the latter one, if I can get close meanings of the words and phrases by context, I will remember them forever. In brief, these strategies can work together with one another pretty well in narrow reading and improve my reading ability. 2 years ago, I started learning Japanese because I'm interested in its architecture, so I hope I can read some books related to it. Most importantly, they have to be written in Japanese, which can help me acquire the rough understandings. Therefore, my language learning goal was to become progressively professional in reading. Remembering this goal in mind, I decided to purchase a vocabulary book as my friend recommended. However, I found this way was not suitable for me because of two major reasons, so I entered self-regulation phases. First of all, many sentences in the book are quite difficult, which means I have to look up more vocabularies at the same time. The other problem is that every word is arranged in alphabetical order instead of topic-oriented way. To solve the former problem, I would ask myself to understand the way to use each word and then make a simple sentence by myself. As for the latter one, I make a vocabulary notebook for myself. For instance, if I want to know the words about travel, I will sort out all of them in the same chapter. Now I move into performance phase. In order to make the strategies more effective, I will record my progress every month. By this way, I have the energy to move forward. Then I do some self-reflection. After several months of change, I conclude that this way really works for me. Physically, I can realize that the quality of learning is improving, and I know more words than I had expected. Mentally, I rely on this strategy because it can make the whole learning process more interesting. To me, the environment plays an important role in this process. Thus, I sometimes will learn Japanese with my friends who share the same goals. Every time when I want to be lazy, they will monitor me, so I can get more self-control and make improvements. Moreover, this strategy serves more than one purpose, including memory strategy, reading strategy, and affective strategy. As I said, it can help me memorize these vocabularies in a short period of time. Next, by accumulating these topic-oriented words, I can read some articles about the same topic at ease. Last but not least, these are interesting stories that can effectively achieve my goal, so I feel more relaxed while using this way. To sum up, I'm satisfied with this way of learning and want to stick to it. After finishing this course, ask second language speakers some questions. It's a strategy I would like to try in the future. The reason why I choose this is because I think the ultimate goal for learning a language is to communicate with foreigners. Additionally, if I have the opportunity to travel in Japan, I can ask local people about their culture, architecture, and tourist attractions. This strategy is suitable for me since it can help me to chat with foreigners at ease. I can also learn some native ways to talk. For instance, that semester I went to a language corner to interact with foreigners. I clearly remember one thing, that is, a friend from America told me when they want to greet with their close friends, they usually say "what's up" rather than "how are you," which is a common way we can see from the textbooks. In brief, this strategy can work well in listening and speaking tasks. By successfully implementing this strategy, I definitely can improve a lot. Thanks for listening.